Hey, how's it going folks? ET here with a new iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to put a frame around your video. Let's get into it. So what I'm going to do here is go to the backgrounds, and I'm going to pick this silk orange, or you can pick any color or any background you want here. Drag that into the timeline here. Going to go back to my media, and I'm looking for this clip here. This is the one I want to put the frame around. So what I'm going to do is drag this and put this on top. And you'll notice that it's longer than our background. So what we're going to do is make our background equal to the length of this thing here. Okay, so we are matched up pretty well there. We're going to go to this drop down and go to picture in a picture. And from here we can set the size of our overlay, our video overlay here. And we'll make it as big as we'd like. And once you start moving around, you'll notice you have guides that kind of tell you exactly where the center is. Okay, so you can see we've kind of accomplished what we were trying to by putting a frame around our video. And at this point, for this simple project here, we can actually just export it. But what I want to do is make sure that my picture-in-picture does not have any transition. So if you look here, there's a little fade in and a little fade out. I don't want that on this one here. So we'll go ahead and take that out by grabbing the little tool here and moving it to the right or left to zero it out. And now we don't have any transition whatsoever. If I wanted to make this a little bigger and easier to see, we could do that by going like this and making sure we're even Steven here, okay? And at this point, all you need to do is actually export it by going to the top here, clicking export file, selecting your format you'd like. If you want high quality, which is what I usually default to, and then better quality, and then hit next. And we can name it. We'll call it frame. And that's it. It's going to export this little clip here that is basically a video with a frame. Okay? That's it for today's tutorial. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.